I can tell? Who else am I gonna tell?
When you're gonna shut up long enough for me to respond, I'll be happy to
Excuse me?
respond.
Because you're a judge, you don't get to tell me to shut up.
Well, I
If you want
certainly
respect,
can,
you gotta respect
and I
me
can make
too.
you shut up. Watch, here it goes.
You're live.
Here it comes.
I'll take it to the Supreme Court.
There's nothing I can do with any of the information you just spewed at me.
Aren't you a judge? You can
Yeah,
call
but
the
I'm
FBI.
not in charge of the Wayne County Jail.
Huh?
That's because you're talking over me. Hey, could I get Attorney Nasser in? Yep, thanks. So I've got a report in here that's dated August 25.
You're what?
A report that's dated August 25.
That's from some independent person that they,
Okay,
it's
that's-
just some random person that sent them. Okay.
Yes, that is our first discussion.
Morning, counsel. Good. So first of all, your appearance for Mr. Hackney,
Yes.
who we don't have live or on Zoom.
Okay, good morning, Honor, to your staff. Please, most honorable court, Mohammed Nasser, P7448. I'm appearing on behalf of the Acme and ask to waive his appearance for this review.
Sure. All right. So for the record, this is just a review because we were waiting for a report from the Forensic Center, correct?
Correct.
Okay.
However, Judge, just for the record to be clear, I did speak to Mr. Lawrence. We're waiving the competency component, criminal responsibilities, certainly a circuit court matter. I know the system, I've been trying to see that, the system's down, so I don't know.
Right.
It's just.
It's a mess. It's a mess.
The fact is, I don't know, I've never had anything like this before. What I'd like to do, Judge, if this court would be so kind, is just set an exam, we're ready to go, and we'll
Yeah.
do a competency.
Yeah. Just to confirm,
Responsibility.
right.
When
The competency was at your request, though. The competency.
competency was originally at our request, correct?
Right. Okay. Then you can withdraw your request then.
I'm trying to request.
Okay.
Mr. Simon, the system was actually up as well.
Okay. Yeah. I just want to make sure it wasn't the people's request because obviously you can't waive that.
So,
All right. So exam date. November 13th or November 20th?
November, is that the student state tour?
Yeah, for me, and I got to keep it on my docket.
November 13th works then.
And I can give you a little bit of choice on time. 1 o'clock from 1 to 2, we got time slots. So you want to go earlier or later. Not that an hour makes a big difference.
Can be done in the morning, Judge?
No, that's when I do my PCCs and the misdemeanor stuff.
Okay, that's. Okay, 1 o'clock then.
Okay, we got you on though.
Thank you, Judge.
Have a good one. Man, that's a nice cologne he's wearing. I can catch it up here.
Can you go double check with Gary Martin? Or no, forget it, Jeff, okay, it's not on yet. That date and time is November 13th at 1 p.m. November 1 p.m. Thank you.
That might be insane. I'm just thinking about that. Because that exam will take a while.
Well, I can just wipe off the afternoon. We can just, that can be just the only one we have, because we only have 3 time slots anyways. I mean, we have the whole November
You know what,
20th day.
We gotta check with the prosecutor.
All right.
Yeah. Cause I'm thinking maybe, go see if Nasser's still out there.
Okay.
I'm thinking maybe we should pick a supper date and have, not a Wednesday. Well, he'll have it. Nasser will have it. Do you have his number, Lawrence?
Yes, sir.
You have Lawrence's phone number handy?
I think.
I just dawned on me, we better check with him date availability, and we probably don't want to give you one of our Wednesdays, because this is gonna take a while.
It's good. Well, I mean,
A couple hours?
I would say about an hour and a half to 2 hours.
So that takes up
Yeah.
all of our.
So let's see if we can't get you on a non-Wednesday, so I can still do my felony Wednesday.
Okay.
And then we might even be able to get you in here early.
Great.
What days are you good though?
Is there such a thing?
It's on your availability.
Well, I have Tuesday, October 29th, or we can have Halloween. So let me, are you calling him?
Yes,
Oh, okay.
I mean, I can give you.
Council, just come, step up. Yeah, just step up. And then you get Lawrence on the phone and the three of you just pick a date.
Not available.
Is it the 313-224 number?
No, that's his office.
Oh.
Council, I love that cologne you wear. Very nice. Joe always smells bad. So,
Bring himself.
The jail. You don't have time for that, do you?
Who's
Orange
that?
County Jail.
No.
On the 29th, Judge, I have a federal motion hearing with the guy that's in custody as well. It's definitely gonna go.
Yeah, so he's not answering.
So why don't we do this, Judge?
just let's just to be determined.
To be determined, yeah,
You and Mr. Lawrence get her on the horn.
we will.
We'll find a day where we can get a couple hours and
And it
sooner
doesn't
sooner
happen-
rather than later. I'd rather it not be, well, at least not one of my felony Wednesdays, because then I can't schedule anything else for that 2 hour block.
Okay, perfect. All right, thank you.
Like I said, that might get you in before November.
Perfect.
Crystal, do you need to speak to the privacy?
Hi, good morning. If I could very briefly, I think we're pretty much all set. I think we were just gonna adjourn the PCC, so I don't know if you already have dates. That's the only thing she and I would need to discuss. We're trying to work this out.
Oh, yeah, we can do, it's any Wednesday.
Okay, perfect. So yes, if I could speak with her very briefly, and good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Okay, let me put you guys in a breakout room.
Thanks a lot, and I'm sorry about that, because
Morning, Council.
Morning, good morning.
Wonderful. Michelle, you got anything ready? Or
It's.
who is Marianne? Are you doing it all?
Marian's.
Marianne, you ready?
And Alice Kennard is ready.
Mr. Ellis Kennard.
Alice Kennard.
Good morning, Mr. Burkett.
How are you this morning?
Wonderful.
Good.
We got your client on Zoom somewhere, Mr. Kennard?
Yes. I'm sorry, I couldn't hear
Good
you.
morning, sir.
Yeah.
Counsel,
Good
your
morning.
appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Not you. Zoom, sorry. Bad timing. Bad time. Mr. Burkett, go ahead.
Yeah.
Your appearance for Mr. Kennard, please.
First of all, good morning, Judge Oakley. And for the record, Raymond. Yes. Mr. Kennard, will you acknowledge yourself to the?
Yeah, Ellis Kennard.
Thank you. And Mr. Burkett, what are we doing today?
Your Honor, I've already spoken with the prosecutor, and we're asking this honorable court to adjourn this. We're trying to work out something here, and it's going to take us a little bit of time. And because I have I've been involved in a real bad accident, and I
Oh,
was asking
sorry to
switch
hear
over
that.
for a pretty good. Oh yeah, they got me in a wheelchair now. Can you believe that?
Oh, boy, good luck.
I got totaled by a tractor trailer. But
Oh,
anyway,
boy.
I'll
You're lucky to be with us.
Thank you. And both the prosecutor and I, after we talked, we were keeping on your docket. And we were going to ask you, do you think putting this over to December would be too long?
I'm having trouble with your audio. How
Beg your
far
pardon?
out do you want to go for the adjourn date?
I couldn't hear you, Your Honor.
I said, I'm having trouble with your audio. You want to adjourn it out how far?
To sometime, I would like to do it sometime in December.
Do we have any December dates?
I can give you one.
Stand by.
Which December looks good. I mean, I can have him all, whatever day he wants.
Well, we got it. Did you say you're trying to keep it on my docket for some reason?
Yes, because you're everybody's favorite judge.
Well, I understand I'm yours. I don't know about everybody.
Thank you.
And the prosecutor wants to keep it on your docket too.
December dates?
I have December, we're gonna do December 23rd. It's a Monday.
How about the 23rd? That's a Monday.
That's fine.
What time, Heather?
We'll do 8:45.
8:45. Mr. Kennard, you want to spend Christmas Monday with me? 8:45, December 23rd. You available?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I will continue bond. Anything else, Mr. Burkett?
All right, thank you.
All right, good luck. Get back on your feet.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, hold on just a minute, counsel. Mr. Kennard, you know you got a court date coming up on an arraignment pretrial on November 7th? That looks like a misdemeanor trespass. Do you know about that one?
No.
Okay,
Your
well,
Honor.
now you do, November 7th. These are two misdemeanors coming out of Romulus dated 2024. November 7th. That's in my courtroom, so that's live, 8:15.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, have a good day, gentlemen. Now, counsel, I'm ready for you. What file?
Nehemiah Parker.
Parker, appearances.
Good morning, Your Honor. Patricia Niederdeck for the people, P 84088.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Macro, two appeal number 86012 on behalf of Mr. Parker, today to my left, and please state your name, last name, for the rest.
Nehemiah Parker.
Good morning, Mr. Parker. And what are we doing today, people?
Your Honor, I believe that defense is requesting that we set this matter for a final trial.
Correct, sir.
Final as in complainant to be present?
Correct.
All right. Pick a Wednesday.
2 weeks, sir. 2 weeks, Your Honor?
23rd.
Well,
How about 8:45? That work?
Perfect.
All right. Bond will be continued and it looks like, well, I've got Mr. Parker standing out there. Sir, it looks like you owe us some money on some civil infractions out of Van Buren Township last year. Impeding traffic, seatbelt, 414 is the total. Are you working now? Are you in a position to set up some kind of payment plan? Can you do that before you leave the building? All right. All right. Anything else from you folks?
No, Your Honor, thank you. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day.
Enjoy your day. 8:45.
hold on, guys, so I need to get notice.
Kind of a slow day, eh, Joe?
That's a good thing, Your Honor.
Not when you got to stack this long.
But you know, the staff is true.
You guys got something?
Yeah.
Give me a name.
Joshua Patton.
Patton?
Morning, Judge.
So, Mr. Patton is in custody on Zoom.
Gentlemen, your appearance is on the Patton file.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mohammed on behalf of the people, P867. And good morning, Judge Oakley, and to your staff, Weaver Defender Service, Harry Martin, P84592. I appear on behalf of Mr. Joshua Patton, who is in custody and appears in court by Zoom. Mr. Patton, if you can hear us, please state your name.
They have him.
I didn't see him.
Just give me a thumbs up if you can hear what's going on, Mr. Patton. There we go. Thank you. Gentlemen, go ahead.
Your Honor, this is before you today for a contested competency hearing. Present on Zoom, I also have Dr. Colin King, an independent expert psychologist hired by my office, who did complete an evaluation of Mr. Patton that included a meeting with him and a review of mental health records. Dr. King is prepared to testify today. He's also prepared a report, which I provided to Prosecutor Mohammed.
Let me stop you. I understand that we've got another report coming from the forensic center.
That's my understanding too, which was that the forensic center evaluated him originally, I believe it was on June 27th, 2024. That was the date of the report, finding that there was insufficient information to rebut the presumption of competency. However, it sounds like the same evaluator from CFP, Dr. Yount, was going to meet with him again on September 24th. I believe that happened. Expecting a report.
My understanding is that they mailed the report and we just don't have it yet. Is that
We're
Accurate?
waiting for her to finish. We don't understand if she's gotta do a new one, because she's at a follow-up, or if she's done with hers and we're waiting for. Correct.
But there's something coming from the forensic center.
It seems like there's something coming. Now, my position is that CFP has, at this point, ruled that he is competent. And my expert has a different opinion, and that the purpose of today's contested hearing would be to flesh that out, and I'm prepared to move forward.
I'm not.
That's fine. That's fair.
I'm not gonna have the time invested today, because if the new report from forensics says he's not competent, then there's no hearing, I'm assuming, Mr. Prosecutor.
Yeah.
Yeah, so with, thanks to the doctor and apologies, we're gonna have to adjourn.
Okay.
So why don't we do this? Why don't you and the doctor and Heather have some conversation about when we can get back on the schedule?
That sounds.
Or if you want to, we'll wait until we see what that forensic report or forensic center report is before we even schedule.
Well, I
can put a control date on it.
A little fire under there.
I'm okay either way. I'll give you the option either way.
I'd like to figure out a date.
That's fine. That's fine. And we've also got, all right, we got 2 felony files, so those are tagging along.
Yes.
All right, we got 1 misdemeanor file. We're just gonna keep kicking that down.
Exactly.
Okay,
Listed.
okay. All right, so I'm gonna make a note that we're still waiting for a report, so we're gonna adjourn this.
Thank you.
Thank you.
At 10:30. I'll just set.
Is that a
the whole-
Wednesday?
Yes, I'll do the whole 10:30 for you. Is that, how long do you think that would be? Only because it's missing.
Yeah, that's probably, that'll work. November, what was that? November what? 20? Yep.
Just for that hearing.
Thank you. And so that listed tested competency hearing still.
Correct.
And can I ask, what is the current bond as set by this court? I know he has another bond set by the probation judge.
Yeah.
Yours, okay.
Are they? Cause I'm looking at a note on one of these files, 10,000, 10% at some point.
On the left. There's a, yeah, that one's PR. It looks like it got changed. We changed it into personal.
Okay, okay.
Your bond's on all. Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
It looks like, I'm seeing version as Vila.
Vila?
And then what's the thing?
Appearances on the People versus Edward or Cortez Villa.
Good morning, Your Honor. Grace Broughton appearing on behalf of the people, P80298.
And good morning, Your Honor. Crystal Marie Medina on behalf of Mr. Cortez, P number 77211. Mr. Cortez, would you please turn on your video, unmute your mic, and state your name, sir?
Edward Cortez Villa.
Thank you. Ladies, what do we got going?
So, Your Honor, I think Ms. Broughton and I, APA Broughton and I, are in the process of potentially reaching a resolution in this matter or coming to some sort of game plan. I think she intends to reach out to her supervisors. We would be requesting an adjourned PCC date potentially for October 30th, Your Honor.
That is all correct, Your Honor.
All right, that date's available. I've got time slots between 9:15 and 10:30. Pick one.
Your Honor, 9:15 would be great. We would be requesting, however, if possible, to appear via Zoom. Again, Your Honor, we were looking through the Wednesdays of this month and next
Yep.
month, and it's, okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah, that's
Appreciate
Judge
it.
Martin, so Zoom works.
Okay, I appreciate it, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Bond is
Judge.
continued. Good luck.
Thank you, Ms. Medina.
Thank you, thank you. Have a great day, everyone.
You as well. Bye.
Yeah, Judge, let me know when you're done.
Where do I find Cortez Villa on the docket?
You will find him at 8:45.
There it is. All right, what do you got?
On Peterson at 9 a.m.
Appearances for Peterson.
Counting 6 times, I'm set for pre-trial. I called the name outside, verified the clerk that we had not Zoom meeting on it. I have no amount of appearance.
All right, scheduled at 9. All right, he'll go on the bench warrant sack.
Thank you, Judge. You start that one.
Yeah, if you hear from him, let us know.
Patterson.
File up here for you, Judge.
Jacob?
Yep.
Appearances on the People versus Jacob. Counsel, your appearance.
Morning, Your Honor, Paul Stavlin, appearing on behalf, and with Mr. Jacob, standing by right. Your Honor, today's date time says conference. Hardly arranged, but I was indicated Mr. Davis can stand here, and what his support that are not guilty and made it.
Done.
You. Bond judge that has put to personal bond to Jacob contact me as soon as he became aware of that.
What are we doing with the pretrial?
Trial conference, Judge, I did receive discovery at 2:00 this morning. I haven't had a chance yet.
Well, what have you been doing, you slacker?
I didn't. I still,
So you need a new date.
I need another. pre-
How far out you want to go?
30 days, Judge. What's available?
Let's see. November 6th, November 13th.
November 6th would be great, Judge.
Okay. That'll be with Judge Martin. So that'll be Zoom anywhere between 8:45 and 10:30. I can give you a date or a time.
45.
8:45?
Zoom.
Yep. Excuse me, November 6th. All right. All right. Now we'll talk about bond. Any reason I should not give Mr. Jacob a personal bond?
No, Your Honor.
You sure?
Yes, he is, as soon as he was made aware of the fact that these charges were issued, I filed an appearance with the court. Court had already set this date.
Mhm.
Then so it's
Okay. All right. So November 6th, 8:45, we'll get you a paper notice. Your bond condition, the obvious one is stay out of trouble. The second one is pretty obvious, is show up on Zoom for the court date. And the third one is do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood altering substance unless you've got a doctor's script for the substance. You understand those terms, sir? Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you mess that up? You screw up, you're going to jail until you come up with $1,000. Any questions? Just have a seat. We'll get you notice. Thank you, counsel.
Mr. Hadley, who do you have?
ready to go on Jordan Lane.
All right, I got the file. Your appearance.
Morning, Your Honor. Attorney Josh Abbott, appearing on behalf of Jordan Lane, who's sitting to my right today. Lane, please state your name. Jordan Lane.
Good morning.
I have the docket set as an arraignment pretrial. Looking at the register of actions, it looks like Mr. Lane was previously arraigned.
Looks like it.
Register of actions also indicates that previously, two complainants who stand with me today at the podium as well appeared via Zoom, stated their wishes to not pursue the case. After pre-trying this matter with the people have asked that I volunteer the two complainants to lay a record that that's their knowing and informed decision forward. And
Okay.
at the conclusion of such, I will be motioning to have the matter.
Okay, all right. You two, raise your right hands. Excuse me, swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth today? And ma'am, would you identify yourself? Sir? Thank you.
Mr. Roberts, are you two named complainants in this matter, with, Mr. Jordan? And have you previously appeared on this case via Zoom?
Yes, sir.
And at that hearing, did you voice charges against Mr. Lane?
Yes, sir.
And here in court today under oath, is it still your wish and desires to not pursue prosecution or the allegations?
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, I believe that the one here to satisfy the people has been met here accordingly, unless there's objection from the people, which.
And given the fact that he just walked into the hallway, I'm assuming there isn't.
No, there's not. He's going to take me as a court officer. If I
Right.
I did it. I would ask that the matter be dismissed based on the people's statements.
Okay, dismissed. This is dismissed without prejudice, which means the prosecutor could recharge. Understood?
Yes, sir.
I can see the head nods, but they don't record very well. You understand that as well? Yeah. Okay. But as a parent, I've got to ask, what's going on? What kind of help do you need that we might be able to help you with?
You got,
And you don't have to talk if you don't want to, but I won't sleep tonight if I don't ask.
children's, get some help.
Good. Where at? What's the program? Where's that? Okay. Okay. So is he seeing somebody on a regular basis? So the plan is he will be seeing somebody on a regular basis. Okay. Does he live with you folks? Okay. All right. And hear my heart as a father and a grandfather. My heart breaks for you because I can only imagine what you're going through, but nobody should have to live with violence in their home. Okay. And when I said, what can we help with? I meant that. All right. So I've worked with him for a long time. I'm assuming you've got his phone number. Okay. If you're having problems, you come see me, tell him what's going on. There are a lot of resources that I have access to. I'm not saying I've got the magic pill for you, but I'll do what I can to help get the resources that your family needs. Okay. All right. And you got to work the program. All right. Work the program. Even when it hurts, because if it doesn't hurt, it's probably not a good program. I don't mean physical pain. You know what I mean. All right. Good luck to y'all. You're welcome. Counsel, you got something ready?
Mr. Hardison's case.
Hardison? Yeah. Why don't you put your appearance on the record while I look for a file?
All right.
Oh,
And Ms. Kosa, yes.
okay. Ms. Kosab, can you hear me all right?
Yes, Your Honor, I would like to release my lawyer. I need a new one because he already violated my rights and my privacy by answering a phone call with my biological mother, who has done nothing but commit crimes against me, and he told her that he was my lawyer before I even knew he was my lawyer, and I don't want my lawyer communicating with one of my biggest predators and enemies who have been doing nothing but committing crimes against me, and I'm pretty sure she set this up as well. So he will not be my lawyer.
Okay, just so you understand, you have a right to a court-appointed attorney, but you don't get to pick the attorney unless you pay for the attorney. So I'm going to put in for one request to see if they will appoint another attorney from downtown. I don't appoint the attorneys. That comes from downtown. Understood?
Yes.
All right. So that will be adjourned for probably safe 3 weeks.
Well, no, the prosecutor wants it mid-November because she's off.
Okay, so all right. So
Your
the
Honor,
prosecutor
can I say
wants,
something?
the prosecutor is asked to have this adjourned
Your
into
Honor,
mid-November, so that should be time for you to get a
okay,
new
Your Honor,
attorney.
I was kidnapped. They came in a car that was not Belleville. They busted into my house. I have video evidence. They took the knife out of my room that had nothing on it. He did not have gloves on it. He did not have gloves on. He did not have an evidence bag. He took my phone that I hid. He took my purse. When I was leaving to come here in the new jail, do you know that we're in the new jail? You know there's an old jail and a new jail? Well, when they took me in the new jail, he told me, oh, I don't have any property. So they stole my purse, they stole my phone, they stole all my identification. Then they did not take me to a Belleville station, and they were not in Belleville cars. They didn't even take me to Sumter station, and they were not in Sumter cars. They took me to a place called Huron. And when I asked the cop, why am I here? He said, I don't know, I don't work here. So I've been kidnapped. I'm trying to call the FBI. I have no wristbands. They won't let me give me 2 free phone calls. They won't give me a tablet. They barely let me out. They barely, if I do anything wrong, they punish me in their own ways because no one's watching them. Since I got here, I've been screaming and asking and begging for a sergeant. No sergeant will come and talk to me. I just got sandals today. So many corrupt things are happening. Who do I report it to? No one will. I can't call the FBI. I've told every single person, not every person. I've told so many inmates, sheriffs, nurses, doctors, social workers. Will you please call the FBI? I've been kidnapped. This is not the first time. Will you please call the FBI? No one will call the FBI. And I know I don't get to choose my attorney, but I do have the right to have an attorney that does the legal thing and respects my rights and doesn't tell a predator and an enemy who's attacking me, don't answer their phone call. And you're not supposed to tell anyone you're my lawyer or any information about my case. This is what happened last time with Lauren Anderson. She communicated with my biological parents who were in the case. They made deals and were talking. They had their cell phone number. So this is just gonna keep going and going and going and going and going and going.
You done?
I am now, since you really don't want to hear the rest.
I didn't understand that. You're done now because what?
It doesn't sound like you want to hear the rest of the information and the truth and the facts.
There's nothing I can do with any of the information you just spewed at me.
Aren't you a judge? You can
Yeah,
call
but
the
I'm
FBI.
not in charge of the Wayne County Jail.
Huh? Excuse me, I'm sorry, I did not hear what you said.
That's because you're talking over me.
No, I wasn't talking when you said something about Wayne County Jail.
I am not in charge of the Wayne County Jail. It's called separation of powers. So you've asked for a new attorney. That takes time.
But I told you the cops kidnapped me. You can call the FBI and say, hey, you want to investigate and see if this is true? She's claiming to be kidnapped. And I've also been claiming to be sex trafficked. And I believe I'm being raped. And I believe that there are people in my house that I couldn't see. Even though I told the cops, hey, I think there's people here. And then they took me to a mental hospital saying, no, Alicia, you're manifesting this. There's no people here. Really, then why did I hear men's voices? And why are other people's mail being delivered at my house?
Let me know when I...
You're the only one I can tell. Who else am I going to tell?
When you're going to shut up long enough for me to respond, I'll be happy to respond.
Because you're a judge, you don't get to tell me to shut up.
Well, I certainly can. And I can make you shut up. Watch. Here it goes.
You're live.
Here it comes.
I'll take it to the Supreme Court.
Can't imagine why you couldn't bond with that woman, Mr. Washington.
Yeah.
So who's your next client? Who do you need to talk to?
Yeah, either Mr. Bankhead, I see Mr. Bankhead, and then Mr. Folks. Either one, Judge.
I'll put you in with Mr. Bankhead.
I'm sorry, Marianne. Is there any way I could steal Mr. Washington before he goes?
Oh, yes. I think
Absolutely.
Ms. Mandernock wanted to speak to me before I spoke to Mr. Bankhead.
Okay.
Maybe if I can speak in a breakout with the prosecutor.
Probably want to let you know that he's not.
If you enjoy real courtroom drama and shocking sovereign citizen moments, make sure to subscribe, hit like, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Courtroom Showdown.